At paardrijk it means horse kingdom. Paard is horse, rijk is kingdom. So here people come to have some coffee and we can watch your children ride horses. So this is the big riding hall, and here's a small one. And here are some paintings some teenagers made for Community Week. Very nice, they fixed it very good. 2 years ago it was all different. Now it's getting better and better and better, but it takes a lot of time. And there's my sister with a horse. I'm making a video for Nunu.
Oh, okay. So, now I am Anneke, and this is my visit, the Christian Center. And this horse has been a little naughty, so
it has to be punished.
No, not punished. It's been to the physio, and yeah. So, and it is a very busy day today, so.
Okay.
So if you want to come and help me, then is that okay?
Okay. Well, as you can see, she looks a lot like me. She's also very pretty. Yes, prima. So here are a few horse stables. And here are some paddocks, or however you call that. So as you can see, it's a very, very big farm. And here are some horse stables. These are our own horses. And my other sister made these. Here I'm playing guitar on a poem evening in the middle of the field. And behind this there are where the small horses are stables. And here are more horse stables, and next to this there are more horse stables. So we got a lot of horses, like 60 or something, but these are not from us but from other people that pay rent for the stable. So here are the fields with horses, and we have a few baby horses, but I don't know where they are now. And the field runs until, let me see, you can't really see it here, until the white lines stop, so it's pretty far. And here again is the forest starting. I think you can see here. It goes all the way to the last point, to there, back to there. Pretty huge! So I admire my sister for her work, it's a lot of work. So I'm gonna try to find some other people now.